Alrighty, today we're out here at the Mine Creek Trail. We're just getting aired down right now, and we got the dogs with us. Where are they at? They are. I ran it up to the point where the trail turns to a Y and haven't gone past that. So today we're just gonna explore beyond and see where it takes us. Should be a good day. Alrighty, we reached the first kind of gatekeeper, I guess you could call it. It's just a little hill. I bet most vehicles can make it over. Kind of rocky, but yeah, I bet most people can make it over this. This rock slab's pretty cool. Just an awesome view up here. Seeing the freeway down and everything, so it's pretty sweet. Steeper through here, some bigger rocks. Alright, this is a little water crossing we have here. It's a little deep. It's a little deeper than I would like it to be. But we can make it through. I made it through before. It only goes about halfway up your hub or axle or whatnot. So we'll try to get some cool angles of it. Alright, this is where I made it to last time. You kind of got these two options here. The one up here is a little more open, so we'll probably take that because this one down here gets a little tight, and even for me, that'd definitely be some pretty heavy-duty pinstriping happening on that one. So yeah, we'll keep going. Fortunately, got a little camera fall off, so we'll see if we get any footage off of it. It kind of sucks, but yeah, we're gonna keep going up here and see what we find. Never made it this far. Alrighty, once you get to that Y and go left, you're gonna end up coming up on these two rocks here, which you can fit through, but the trail gets so narrow, even for me, that's gonna be too much pinstriping. So I'm turning around here. We're gonna work on heading back down. Pretty awesome views up here though. I'd recommend coming up to this point if you feel comfortable making this turnaround U-turn up here. It's a little tighter than I'd like, but I think there'll be some room. But yeah, we're gonna head back down, and it was a good day. Sort of sad for my other camera, but it's all part of doing it.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this torsion, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching it.
Alright, just getting air back up. Just coming back down from the trail. Honestly, it was pretty cool. I think my truck's just too big, so I think if you have something regular pickup size, you probably should turn around at that first Y. You kind of know when you get there, but otherwise, Mine Creek, it's a pretty fun one for how close it is for me. Kind of a bummer day though. Lost a camera and a drone. I don't know how I crashed the drone. I got to go back and watch that video just to see what's at the very top though. If I was in a Jeep or I saw two dual sport motorcycles go running up there, so I guess I'd be interested to see what is at the top. But definitely, I probably could have pushed it, but it's just so much pinstriping. I couldn't stand it. So yeah, that's a wrap for today. We'll see if I can figure out the drone and maybe order up another camera. So take care.